Rose petals, fairy wings, pink llama, or mysterious space? Which of the lip glosses will you choose? Watch and learn new recipes of how to make regular lip balm better in our video. My friend's holding some kind of treasure in her hands. What is she hiding there? A marvelous medallion with wings. It's so cute! Curly Sue gives me this winged accessory. Is it a dragonfly or a butterfly? Let's scrutinize it. This is actually gentle lip gloss. Put Vaseline in a small pot. Add shimmering eyeshadow. Mix it. Use a Q-tip to wipe the eyeshadow remains off the pot edge. Decorate the cap with nail polish. We chose different shades of pale blue. Attach a heart-shaped sequin to the center. Attach decorative wings to the bottom of the pot. Hot glue a jump ring and close the bottom with a piece of fabric. Put the lip balm on a piece of cord with a clasp. This lip gloss has been certainly made by fairies. It's soft, glossy, and can fly away at any time. My lips will be magical with it, and I will fly around happily like a butterfly. The period when roses are in full bloom is my favorite time of the year. And what if I add some rose petals to my lip gloss? Then I can enjoy the smell of roses every day, the whole year round. Add beeswax to Vaseline. Put in some cocoa butter. Add some more Vaseline if there is not enough. Put in a few drops of rose oil. Melt the mixture in a double boiler and throw a couple of rose petals in it. Pour the liquid balm into a container to fill half of it. Add some more petals and pour out the rest of the balm. Decorate it with rose petals on top. This rose lip gloss smells and looks great. You can feel like a real rose flower in an exotic garden. Curly Sue is a queen of a botanical garden. She loves taking close-up shots of plants. She knows all types of palm trees, and one day she will open up her own botany course. The nature is kind to her too. Curly Sue finds an unusual EOS with a floral pattern in the bushes. Take EOS out of the container. Add green food coloring to the lip balm and put it into a microwave. Pour the melted mixture into the cap and let it harden. Take the green balm out of the container. Use a pin to draw a monstera leaf on it. Cut off the excess. Put the leaf in the center of the cap. Screw on the middle grid. Now let's make the background. Add cocoa butter into the lip gloss. Put in some crimson food coloring. Melt the mixture in a microwave and pour it into the cap to cover the grid. Assemble the container when the balm hardens. Oh, I can't believe it! Curly Sue discovered a new species of plant. It's an evergreen EOS, but she's not going to share her discovery with anyone else. She wants to keep this EOS leaf only to herself. Redhead is worried about her chapped lips. No need to panic. Take a kiwi lip scrub. Cut a kiwi fruit. Scoop out the flesh. Mash it with a spoon. Add some sugar. Put in a few drops of almond oil. Mix it and put it into a small jar. Apply the product to your lips, slightly rubbing it in. Your lips become soft and gentle at once. Now any lipstick will apply evenly. You can try it right now. If there is not enough kiwi in your lip scrub, replicate kiwi makeup on your lips. Let's make juicy kiwi lips. Apply foundation stick to fill your lips using a brush, but we won't let your lips be so pale. Trace over your lip line using deep green eyeshadow. Apply light green eyeshadow to the center of the lips. Define the corners with a bronzer. Draw small dots with black eyeliner. These are kiwi seeds. Cover the lip makeup with clear gloss. You will feel the taste of kiwi right on your lips. We are amazed by flying saucers and the absence of gravity. Moreover, we would like to make friends with extraterrestrial civilizations. Who knows? Maybe they will get in touch with us faster when they see our space EOS. Take the remains of EOS out of a container. Add white pearl eyeshadow. Melt it in a microwave. Paint small stars and planets with rings on the EOS cap. Let it harden. Now add the blue sky. Take 2 caramel candies. Put in cocoa butter. Add shimmering blue eyeshadow. Put Vaseline or EOS remains. Melt the ingredients in a double boiler. Mix it thoroughly and pour it into the container. Let it harden. We will be the most beautiful in any galaxy with this space EOS on. All the stars, planets, and comets in one kiss. This makeup is for real space girls. A lava lamp is an excellent hypnotizing thing, but nothing can distract Curly Sue from her dry lips. She needs lip balm urgently. Take it, but don't distract me from the lava. Pour castor oil into an appropriate bottle without a brush. Mix glycerin with pink eyeshadow in a separate container. Fill a dropper with it. Put in a few colored glycerin drops into the oil. Close the bottle. Curly Sue opens the balm and notices right away that it looks a lot like a lava lamp. How am I supposed to use it? This is actually a stress reliever. No problem. This is real lip balm and a stress reliever with lava effect. 2 in 1. Now, I definitely won't pull Curly Sue away from her new lip gloss. Redhead is drinking cherry juice. It smells so good, but my friend doesn't want to share. Alright, I've got something better. Lip gloss with cherry juice. Take some cherry juice. Remove the wiper from a tube filled in half with lip gloss. Pour in cherry juice. Put the wiper back. Mix the lip gloss with the juice using the applicator. I apply cherry extract right over my lips. Now Redhead is eager to get my lip gloss. No way! This cherry is only for me. If you and your friend get bored, this pink mini llama is always ready to help. This cutie knows how to throw a whole EOS party and how to make our lips beautiful because it conceals a real lipstick inside. Decorate a clear cap of baby lip balm. Cover it with pink acrylic paint using a sponge. Paint the base of the tube. Make 2 oval ears from air-dry clay. Paint them pink when hardened. Draw a muzzle on the pink cap using black nail polish and a toothpick. Attach ears to the cap. Just have a look at the llama transformation of the baby lip balm. This cute pink animal will be responsible for my shiny lips from now on. What's better, baby lips or a baby llama? Redhead struggles opening M&Ms. It looks as though the candies are holding the package from the inside. Only scissors will help us here. At last, she tears the package with great force. Hooray! It's time to enjoy the candies. I've got the same candies that are good to my lips. Besides, my chocolate EOS opens up easily. Put M&M candies into a cup. Add some Vaseline and a little beeswax. Melt everything in a double boiler. Mash the candies nicely, crushing the glaze. Pour the melted chocolate mixture into the EOS cap. Let it harden. Assemble the container with the hardened lip balm. Scrape an M letter with a toothpick on the chocolate balm. Add white eyeshadow into the EOS remains or coconut oil. Melt it in a microwave. Use a brush to fill the M letter with the white gloss. Clean the outer line with a toothpick. Redhead sees my M&M's OS. Regular candies are a thing of the past. Now she needs the same lip balm as I have. It smells like real chocolate and looks exactly like it. It's a dream of all sweet tooths. Did you like our creative lip gloss ideas? Then write in your comments which creative lip gloss you are going to make. Are you fond of unusual makeup? Would you like to learn how to make patterns on your lip balm or make a tasty scrub? Then a new compilation of our bold ideas is just for you. Are you a music lover? Show it with a cute EOS lip balm pattern. Carefully cut out earphones and a heart using a modeling knife. Any other thin knife or a needle will do as well. Melt beige tinted lip balm. Fill the earphones whole. Correct the shape. Melt pale pink lip balm for the heart. Correct the outline. You'll need a little time and patience to get a stunning result. This charming lip balm will show your friends that you are a keen music lover. Do you feel your lips have become too dry? You'll probably like a tasty idea of natural lip balm with Oreo cookies. Put a little Vaseline, beeswax, and cocoa butter in a cup. Crush an Oreo cookie with your fingers. Put it in a microwave for 30 seconds. Add Oreo in the melted mixture. Stir with a wooden stick. Pour it into an empty balm container. Let it cool in the fridge. The Oreo lip balm has a delicious smell and perfectly cares for your lips. I wish I could eat it! A cute ladybug-shaped lip balm will make you feel light and playful. Take apart an empty EOS container. Melt a piece of red lipstick. Pour it into the top. Let it cool in the fridge for about a half an hour. Take it out. It'll be the body of the ladybug. Place it onto a piece of plastic. Cut out a smaller part with a slightly bent piece of plastic. Put the body into the top again. Melt a piece of plain balm. Add black gel food coloring. It won't dye your lips. Mix it with a wooden stick. Pour the black balm into the empty part and let it cool. Press a drinking straw end against the ladybug's body to mark dots. Remove the excess with the modeling knife. Pour the black balm into the dot holes. The ladybug is ready. We're going to attach it to the container to prevent it from flying away. Put it in the middle part. Fill it with the melted colored balm. Let it cool in the fridge. Make it glossy. Melt the surface with a hairdryer. Perfect! Assemble the EOS container. This pretty little ladybug will help you apply a bright tone to your lips. Besides, this amazing lip balm will make you feel like summer with the fresh smell of green grass and the warm embrace of a sunbeam. Let's continue our experiments by making creative makeup for a photo shoot or a themed party. Start the makeup with a white pencil. Apply matte liquid lipstick of a bright red color on your lower lip and part of the upper one, except the white area. Now take black eyeliner. This time, we won't use it for our eyes. Draw the bug head. Add a borderline between the hard wings. Take a brush. Make black dots with its handle. Apply them on your bottom lip as well as on the top one. Draw the antenna using the eyeliner. Define the white part. You are ready for a themed party. You'll be the center of attention with this stunning ladybug makeup on your lips. Have you got a romantic soul? Then you'll certainly be impressed with our lovely heart pattern on the lip balm. Cut about a 2-inch piece out of a drinking straw. Press it to fold in half. Fold it again to shape a heart. Put it in the balm, pressing it down to the bottom. Remove it. We've got a heart-shaped hole that should be filled in. Melt bright lipstick and pour it into the hole. When cool, trim the top using a craft knife. This delicate lip balm will moisturize your lips and apply a pale pink tone to them. Another awesome idea for your EOS balm is a unicorn. It's a popular trend of the season. Make your lip balm trendy. You'll need a unicorn paper template. But don't hurry to throw it away after use. We'll show how to make a temporary tattoo with it later on. Place the template on the balm. Trace the outline with the knife. Cut off the excess. Color the unicorn. Melt bright colored lipstick, adding makeup glitter. Pour it in the hole. Correct the shape. It'll take a few minutes to transform your plain balm into the sparkly EOS. Do you still think that unicorns don't exist? This pretty unicorn lip balm has inspired us to create stunning fantasy makeup. Shade the top lip white. Leave the bottom one untouched. Make a rainbow pattern with an eyeshadow palette. Apply dark purple lipstick on your bottom lip. Mix pink, light, and dark blue makeup glitter. Apply clear gloss to attach the glitter and the eyeshadow better. Do you feel that there's still something in your makeup that you lack? It's time to add a temporary tattoo. Cover the template with a cotton pad soaked in the alcohol-based tonic. Hold it about 20 to 30 seconds. This gorgeous unicorn makeup look won't let you be left unnoticed, even at a masquerade. Don't you know what to do with a lipstick you don't like? Experiment with its color and texture. Use an old eyeshadow palette. Decorate it in style. Make sure to clean and degrease the surface you're going to embellish. Rub it with a cotton pad soaked in nail polish remover. Paint the top with nail polish of a coral color. Apply another coat if necessary. Pour a little light green nail polish onto a piece of plastic. Make a vivid polka dot pattern using a round pencil. Define the ornament. Apply clear nail polish as a finishing coat. Now let's fill the palette with lipsticks. Take the lipstick you don't like as the base. Melt a piece. Pour it onto a section of the palette. We'll use the tone as a basic color. Mix the lipstick with makeup glitter to fill another section. Make a third version by mixing the lipstick with pink blush. You can also use eyeshadow instead. Fill the last container with the remains of different lipsticks. You don't need to keep a lot of lipsticks in your makeup bag. Take this pretty palette to change your lip color several times a day. Don't throw away makeup you don't like. Watch our videos and start your own DIY lipstick and lip gloss projects. Feel free to comment. Write each recipe you believe is the best.